Hello, friends. This indoor life, due to the coronavirus lockdown, is driving all of us mad. But I think it has taken a much bigger toll on a housewife's mental and physical health. There has been a sudden and indefinite increase in their household work and the anxieties related to it. So, in this video of mine, I will tell you about the problems that the housewives are facing, and I will give you some simple tips to cope up with these problems.
Hello friends. The problems faced by the women during COVID lockdown are: firstly, for most of the housewives, the household work such as cleaning, cooking, etc. has increased since the domestic help such as the cook, maid, dhobi, etc. are unable to come. Second is, with children staying at home, they have to be schooled at home, fed and entertained. And all this is done generally by the mother. This can be very exhausting. Third is, with husbands being home all the time, the wife has to meet his increased demands too, like cooking or some other work. This is an added responsibility. Now, the wife alone is also supposed to attend and take care of the elders or senior citizens at home. She has to manage to keep them safe from the coronavirus too. If by chance she is a working woman, now what to do? She has to now work from home, and that means she has to finish her cooking and cleaning etc. before she logs into work from home. On the other hand, she has to face the pressures of her boss who has no empathy for her. This can be really frustrating. This way, the housewives are not getting any time for themselves. That is their me time. So there is a feeling of suffocation too. Now coming to something scary. Some are facing physical abuses at the smallest provocations and have no escape. Now all these problems result in sleepless nights and hence raised anxieties. This finally leads to heated arguments, fights, and maybe a feeling of depression. Now, how as a housewife should you manage these problems? There are some simple suggestions that can help. First is, don't feel like a victim. The whole world is facing this problem. Please discuss and communicate your problem with your partner. Remember, communication is the key. Second is, ask for help. Just don't do everything yourself. It's very important that the household work be divided reasonably between the members of the family. Ask them to share the responsibility. It could be a much lesser amount than yours, but every bit helps. After all, it's their home too. Try updating yourself with technology and the virtual world, because that is the need of the hour. You will get a feeling of empowerment for sure. Please set up a me time for yourself. It could be a different time every day. In that, you can watch some funny videos, Zoom meet with friends, or do whatever you like. This will bring a smile to your face. Now divide your work into small bits. Do not overexert at a go. That means take breaks between your household chores. This will make you extra efficient. And last but not the least, feel blessed for what you have. Look around and see people around you. They are half as not in a good condition as you. Thank God for all that you have, because gratitude is the key to happiness. Thank you.